Hello everyone. Are you concerned about the privacy and security of your WhatsApp chats? In this video, we'll guide you on how to lock WhatsApp with a pattern using the AppLocker app. This app is a great tool that allows you to lock any application on your Android device with a pattern. By doing so, you can prevent unauthorized access to your WhatsApp conversations. So, let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to lock WhatsApp with a pattern using AppLocker. Step 1. Firstly, open the Play Store on your Android device. Then search for the AppLocker app and install it. Once it's installed, tap on Open to launch the app. Step 2. The app will prompt you to agree to all. Once you agree to the terms and conditions, it will ask you to draw an unlock pattern. Draw the pattern that you would like to use to lock your WhatsApp application. Step 3. AppLocker will then ask for permission to access various features on your device. Press Allow to every permission that the application needs. Step 4. Scroll down between applications until you find WhatsApp. Tap on the lock icon next to it. Step 5. After tapping on the lock icon, a new window will appear. Tap on Permit to grant AppLocker permission to lock your WhatsApp application. Congratulations! You have now successfully locked your WhatsApp with a pattern using the AppLocker app. Whenever you open WhatsApp, it will ask you to draw the pattern that you set up earlier. By using AppLocker, you have taken a great step towards securing your WhatsApp conversations. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.